Step-by-step BOTOX treatment. Start by washing your hair with a treatment shampoo. Gently remove excess water using a towel. Divide the hair into 4 to 6 sections for easier application. With the help of a brush and a comb, apply the BOTOX Reduction treatment evenly throughout the hair, starting at the nape of the neck. Maintain half a centimeter distance from the scalp. Let the treatment sit for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your hair type. After the waiting period, rinse the hair thoroughly to remove all the product. Apply the BOTOX Balm treatment and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse the hair well with water. Dry the hair completely and perform a throughout blow drying session. Straighten the hair in small sections, passing over each strand 3 to 4 times.